Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to update Bitget Wallet. For that, you need to go on your App Store, and at the search bar, you can simply search for Bitget. Now simply tap on it. And here now, if you need an update, you will be seeing an update option over there. But currently mine is already up to date, so you can't see this option. But if you see in yours, then you can simply tap on it and it will be updated. Another way to check is simply go back. And there at the top right, you can see a profile icon. You need to tap over there. And you'll be led to this kind of interface. And at the downside, you can see the update all option. And here you can see all the application that needs an update. If your Bitget wallet needs an update, you will be seeing the application over here. And you need to simply tap on update and it will be updated. But this is how you can update your Bitget wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.